Hi, Rod here from Silky Store New Zealand. Today I want to show you how to change a blade on one of the Silky fixed blade saws. The tool you'll need to do this job, once again, is a flat tip screwdriver, a pretty large one, similar to this. Okay, with the saw, you take the two red screws out like this. Note that on this side there will be a washer as well. You then take the screwdriver and push out the blade. That screw, the other side of the screw will come out. Do the same for the second screw. Okay, sometimes you'll need just a smaller object just to get that washer out. Pops up. Right, once those two screws are out, you can remove the handle from the blade. Take your new blade and basically reverse the process. Slip the blade in, making sure you're holding on the outside. Don't hold on the teeth as they are very sharp and are likely to cut you. Push it right in so that the holes are centered, and then replace the two screw holders on the outside holes. After that, place the two washers in and the two screws themselves. Once they're in, with a bit of pressure on the back, just screw it in nice and tight. And there you have your blade replaced. Job done.